Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Light Tasty Kitchen. Christmas is over, but festival is not over. We are stepping into the new year. So there is so much of fun and we are going for some visitors places. They will come to our places, so it's going to be real fun. So we have to make many sweets and delicious meals. Not only meals, it's like drinks. So we are going to see in this video how to make Christmas cookies. That's fine, Christmas is over, but let's make these Christmas cookies for the new year and make our visitors' mouth and tummy really happy. But before jumping into the video, do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button for more updates, and don't forget to comment your favorite dish on the comment box. If you do that, we'll feature your comments on our upcoming videos. So let's get started with Christmas cookies. Take a bowl and add 250 grams of butter, 250 grams of sugar. Use a spatula and make it creamy. Now add an egg. Add 2 egg yolks. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add half teaspoon of almond essence. Add 1 teaspoon of salt for taste. Now beat everything using a beater and make a creamy mixture. Sift 600 grams of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar into the mixture, and use a spatula to combine them and make a mixture creamy. Now scrape the edges using spatula if you really want to do. Cover the dough with a polythene wrap and refrigerate it for 2 hours. Spread flour on the mat and take the amount of dough you need to do the shapes. Use a roller and press the dough once it's well pressed. Now take the shapes and dip them into the flour and press it on the dough to make the shapes. Remove the excess dough and place the shapes on the baking tray. Bake it for 12 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Now start sifting the flour. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Add 1 teaspoon of salt for taste. Add 3 egg whites. Give it a whisk. Stir the mixture together until it's incorporated. Take a small dish with the mixture and add food coloring. Colors can be customized according to you. Now place the baked cookies and start adding the frosting. Boom! You are done with the frosting and your Christmas cookies is ready. So yeah, we are done with the video. So it's now we know how to make Christmas cookies. So boys, girls, kids, anyone doesn't need their mom or any help to make these delicious cookies. So it's time, just we'll get started. So yes, let us know how it turned out and we really need your feedback. So let us know and comment your favorite dish once more and let us know what you really like. So we will come up with the same dish for you all and we'll feature your comments on our upcoming videos. So yeah, it's done. So we are going to wrap up the session. See you on next video. But before, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button for more updates. See you on next video. Until that, bye-bye.